At a time in the manufacturing industry when companies are increasing production, rapidly expanding into new markets, and onshoring their operations to bring manufacturing back into the country, the demand for a faster, more flexible, cost-effective building solution to adapt to changing demands is more important now than ever before. At Sprung Structures, we have been innovating our products for over 130 years. Today, with over 12,000 structures in over 100 countries, we have created thousands of building solutions for manufacturing organizations around the world. Our structures are engineered to build faster than traditional buildings for use in weeks, not months or years. In the quickly expanding world of manufacturing, Sprung Structures provide a rapid solution to allow companies to grow and adapt to changing demands. Our rapid timeline saves organizations time and money. Traditional construction methods can take several months, even years, in expensive planning and construction before the project is in use and operational. A sprung structure can be designed, delivered, and installed within weeks, so companies can begin using the building immediately. In addition to our rapid timeline, Sprung offers short-term 1 to 3 year leasing opportunities for structures so that manufacturing organizations can keep their capital focused on their core business. Sprung Structures provide a level of flexibility and versatility that is unmatched in the construction industry. We design structures to fit your production needs and growth within the demands of your organization. From modular, expandable, and relocatable buildings to connecting corridors, a variety of versatile foundation possibilities. There are several insulation options, Sprung integrated LED lighting systems, external and internal graphics, a wide range of cargo doors, and everything in between. Sprung Structures are engineered for permanence and designed for multi-use applications. We use a corrosion-free military-grade aluminum substructure to ensure longevity and durability. Our high-performance insulation system allows our structures to provide optimum energy efficiency anywhere on the planet. At Sprung, we are making the impossible possible when and where it is needed most. Contact us today for more information on how we can provide a Sprung solution for your project.